Hello. Anyway, so today is September 9th, Thursday, September 9th, 2021. In case you did or did not watch my last video on this, it pretty much looked like this. This is my Miele, whatever they call it, W1 washing machine. Okay. And this is pretty much the little animation that was happening before. And I mentioned that today we were going to have the tech come out and try to solve the problem, which was that they installed a new motherboard but didn't bother configuring it. So today the tech showed up and attached a thing literally directly to this, which I thought was kind of interesting, almost like a little suction cup type of deal. And attempted to update the firmware, I guess, or configure the motherboard the way one is supposed to do. And apparently they couldn't even get the software to work on their own computers in a way that the software, I guess it's called MDU. And when I asked what MDU stands for, they don't know what that stands for. So basically the MDU on the gentleman's computer wasn't working properly or updating properly or couldn't communicate properly once again with this damn thing. And so I'm right back to where I started. So now I'm about to call Miele to see if they can send somebody else to do the same thing or try the same thing, I guess. And it's probably going to take another week to 2 weeks for somebody to get here. So don't be surprised if you see another video. My hope is that by the time you see another video, that it will not look like this anymore. All right, bye-bye.